Alright, here I want to show you how you can reduce this given figure to a given proportion. As you can see here, reduction to 3:1. So we want to reduce this object from size 3 to size 1. From size 3 to size 1. So that's what we want to do now. So this is a 5-sided polygon, which is also an irregular polygon. So to do that, or to reduce this object from size 3 to size 1, the first thing that you need to do is to extend this line AB. So just draw it as I've drawn the line. Then take your compass and take any convenient radius. Extend your compass to any convenient radius and make 3 points on this line. So this is 1, here is 2, and this is 3. So because 3 is the highest number in the given proportion, so I'm going to number this. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Alright, so the next thing that we are going to do is that from point B, draw a vertical line like this. Okay, so after drawing this vertical line, the next thing that we are going to do is that we are going to bisect distance A1. Distance between point A and point 1, we are going to divide into 2 equal parts so that I can locate the midpoint of line distance A1. So draw an arc here like this and then put it at point 1. You draw an arc. So join the point of intersection of the arcs together. Okay. Alright, so the next thing that we are going to do is that we are going to bisect the distance between point A and point 2. And point 3. Distance between point A and point 3. So we are going to bisect it. So take your compass, extend to any convenient radius, and draw an arc, or draw arcs up and down here. Then you put the same radius on point 3. So draw arcs up and down, and then we join the point of intersection of the arcs together with a straight line like this. So this point, for the distance between, or for the midpoint of A and point 1, I'm going to call it X, and the midpoint of A and 3, I will call it Y, so which is this point here. So I will call it Y. Alright, so the next thing that we are going to do is that we take our compass, put the pinpoint of your compass at point X and extend to 1. Then you draw a semicircle. Draw a semicircle on point A and 1 like this. Okay. So wherever the semicircle touch the vertical line that we drew down from point B, let's call it point 1. So it's this point. So let's call it point 1. Then put the point of your compass at point Y here, extend to 3. So we are going to construct a semicircle between point 3 and point A. So draw a semicircle. Okay. Alright, so wherever the semicircle touch the line or the vertical line that we drew down from point B, so call this point here. So call it point 2. Alright, so the next thing that we are going to do is that we are going to radiate lines from point A passing through point C here. From A, we radiate line passing through point D, and then from A, we radiate line passing through point E. So this is what I'm saying. So from A here, draw a line like this. Then from A, draw a line passing through point C. So we have already drawn that of E, but I will extend it a little bit. Alright, so this is okay. Now, the next thing that we are going to do is that we are going to join point A2 together. So point A and point 2, we join them together with a straight line. This is it. Okay, so the next thing that we are going to do is that you set your set square on line A2 like this, and you shift it, support it with your ruler, and shift it to point 1. Shift to point 1. So this is point 1. So draw a line. So wherever you touch on this line AB, this will be point B1. This will be point B1. Okay, so to now locate point C1, so we set our set square on line BC. Set the set square on line BC like this, and shift it to point B. So wherever you touch here, so we call this, we draw a line. So this point is point C1. Then to get point D1, set your set square on line CD like this and support it with your ruler. Then you shift the set square, shift it to point C1 here, and draw a line in this direction. So this point, this is point D1. Then to get point E1, so you set your set square on line DE like this. So I shift the set square to point D1. So wherever I touch here, so we touch line D1 or point D1. So you draw a line like this. So this is point E1. Alright, so the reduced figure is A, B1, C1, D1, and E1. So with what we have done here, we have reduced this given object from size 3 to size 1, and we have done the reduction. So the reduced size of this given object A, B, C, D, E is A, B1, C1, D1, and E1. So this is how you can carry out the reduction of an object when you are given in this form. So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, you need to subscribe so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be able to watch it by putting on the notification bell, be notified. And then share this video with your friends who are technical drawing students, and keep on practicing as you are watching my videos on YouTube. Thank you for listening, and thank you for watching. God bless you.